Hey, I'm Mike Stoops with Meguiar's. I'm here with Cruisin' USA at SEMA 2025, showing you the Meguiar's new products for 2026. We've got a kind of a luxury mix with our whole car air refreshers, some absolutely fantastic scents that are available in these with some really pretty packaging, which, you know, for a product that you use once and toss might seem kind of silly, but they look really good. They smell even better. They work even better than that. And we've even got one here with our ultimate scent. You know, our ultimate wash and wax has been so popular, people have actually asked us to put that aroma in the whole car air refresher. So we listened, and that's what we've done. But we've got some really cool kits for this year. Starting with this carpet and cloth cleaning kit. It uses the drill brush attachment and this gold class total interior cleanser. The two pieces come in the kit. This is a pH neutral cleanser. And that means what happens is it cleans really deeply without leaving those alkaline salts behind that leave your carpet feeling kind of crunchy once it's dried. There's no rinsing involved. And what you can very quickly do is go from this mess to this nice finish with a nice soft feel to it using that brush, no rinse. Just machine it with your drill and that brush and that cleanser, and you quickly go from this. Look, if you're a hot rodder and you built a really cool car with a light colored interior, and then you think you shot yourself in the foot because how are you gonna keep that clean? That's how you're gonna keep it clean. It works like an absolute champ. Now, if you have a vehicle that has rubber floor mats, you know, like that WeatherTech stuff and things that are like that, those can be a little tricky to clean sometimes, or to dress and have them look good without being slippery. Again, using a drill brush attachment and the foaming floor mat cleaner, this will foam up really nicely. Clean it, wipe it down with a dry microfiber towel, and then spray the Gold Class Luxury Matte Non-Slick Finish. And this is as non-slick as you've probably ever encountered. I was pleasantly shocked at how non-slip it was when I did it to the mats in my car, because I've never found anything that was as non-slip as this is. It's great, and you really don't want to be sliding around on your feet on those freshly cleaned up mats on your floor. If you've got a leather interior, we're taking our Ultimate Leather Detailer, and we are pairing this with our new microfiber multi-surface cleaning disc. We use this normally for polishing paint, but if we use it with this leather detailer to deep clean your leather with a drill, it sounds a little crazy, but oh my gosh, it works so beautifully and very safely and effectively. It's a great combination. Staying with a drill attached cleaner, we've got a specific variation here of a Scotch-Brite pad using a very specific cleaning solution that's almost like an abrasive soap. And you use this to remove all the oxidation on your headlights. Get that residue off of there. It'll look like you just sanded it because effectively you just did, but you also removed any greases and silicones and road grime and all that nonsense. And then you just wipe on the ceramic coating. It'll bring back the clarity, and it will give fantastic protection to keep those headlights looking brand new again for a very long time. We've got an Insane Shine tire and trim gel. So whether you like your tire shiny or your trim shiny, quick and easy application. A bubblegum scented car wash. If you're using a foam cannon, the experience with this is great because the aroma just fills the air, and it does a great job of cleaning with a pH neutral formulation. And then if you've got a matte vinyl wrap on your vehicle, or even a matte paint on your vehicle, and you're looking for an easy way to wipe off dust and fingerprints and add a little bit of light protection, the new matte vinyl wrap protection detailer does an incredible job on that without adding any gloss or additional sheen to a matte finish.